I am getting killed by the market for the past month to 2 months. As we can see, it used to be about, I think, 3,600, and since the market is not doing great right now, everything just dropping, they keep going down. So as we can see, right now I already highlighted the past 3 months over here. So the past 3 months, I'm down about $1,000 and $25. And it might look bad right now, but considering if you go down here and look, it's basically just a couple of stocks that's really killing me. So if you look at Lightspeed right here, my average cost was 150 at first, and I averaged it down to I think 130. And as you can see right here, that one alone covers for everything that I lost so far. I know Phase Drive I'm down 300, and also if you go down to Westwater Resources, I'm down 400. But other than that, the rest of the stocks are doing good. And as I always talk about, Westwater and Phase Drive is just kind of a risk I took. I knew how it could turn out, that you make it or I guess you lose it. But those two did not work out for me. But I'm waiting. I know they're gonna go up, especially Phase Drive, especially the price where it is now. Last time was about 99 cents. That's when it shot back up to I think $4. Then it went back down again. So I'm looking forward to that. Other than that, everything else seems to be doing okay. Like Apple, I'm doing good in Apple. I'm up 34%. Amazon, yes, I'm up 1%. That's great. At least I'm not losing anything on that. Bristol Myers, I'm just down $8 here. Salesforce, I'm down $2. So not bad. DIV, I'm up $2. I always say DIV, I just own it just for the dividend alone. Ford, I'm up on Ford as you can see. Norwegian Cruise Line, I'm down $33. So it's not so bad as we look at it. And I'm up on Nvidia. Okay, so the way the market is now, that reminds me of what I read or heard about what Warren Buffett said. He said that when it starts to rain, you need to go out there with your wash bucket, not a cap, to go catch some of the water. Because right now, the way the market is, everybody is just afraid and just selling whatever they have. They could be owning the best stocks, but they don't care just because it's going down. They just want to sell. And the problem with that is people getting in when it's expensive. That's when they're buying, and selling when they're losing money. And that's not the best to do. That's why I think they always say cash is king. So right now, it should be the best time right now to be buying some of the stocks right now. So as I create my watch list on the side over here, as you can see my watch list, like this company here, Firm Holdings, that's the company that gives loans. They're trying to eliminate all the credit card and all the high interest and help people so they can take charge of their debt. And it's a very good company. This company used to be almost $200, and right now it's $99. Another thing Warren Buffett said is that we look for a great company and buy a $1 company for 50 cents. So even if it does go down, we still be in the positive. And if you know anything about Warren Buffett, his rule number one is don't lose money. And rule number two is don't forget about rule number one. That's the principle what he invests on. And that's really funny too. So if you see that one, a firm holding right now, be the best time to buy this company. Let's go down to the list over here. And Cisco System, I think you're down a lot too, that you can actually buy some now. And if you look at DocuSign is down more than 50%. All because they reported not so well and it dropped a lot. And since then, since the market hasn't been doing good, it hasn't been able to recover. And if you know anything about DocuSign, you can buy property or do any business anywhere around the world without stepping your foot there, because you can sign all your paper from the comfort of your own home. So that's the great companies right now that we should be picking up. Let me see what else I have here. IBM, everybody know IBM been around for a long time. It's one of those companies that you can't go wrong with. Especially, I haven't seen if they pay dividend. If they pay dividend, it would be a great company to buy too. And Johnson & Johnson's, everybody know how good Johnson & Johnson's is. They are down to something you can pick up. And it's a bunch of companies like this out there where you can just buy it right now. It's the best time to buy, but at the same time, nobody know when the breeding gonna stop. And I always say you don't want to catch fall in length before, because it might catch it where it's very sharp and it will cut you. But having said that, you can go in slowly. If you have $1,000 to spend, maybe the first half you buy say $300 and you wait and buy the other three. If you go down again, then you wait for your last one. If you go down again, you buy another three. I'm sure by that point it will hit the bottom already and you catch it at the bottom. But nobody can get exactly this is the time, is the bottom of the market I'm gonna buy here. Also look at Tesla. Tesla is almost almost $2,000 stock. I'm sure this one is down so much right now that it's crazy. It's like picking up Tesla right now. I would say probably picking up $1 stuff for a quarter right now. That's how much you probably be buying. Uni software, the same thing. UPS, I'm not sure about UPS. I wouldn't really touch UPS right now, but as you can see, there's a lot of companies out there now. Just a small companies that I highlighted right now. And if you took your time to do your homework and look around, you're gonna see a lot of stocks right now that is on the bottom where you can buy it for. You can buy it for half price. So do your homework, look through all the stuff that are done right now. And I think this is one of the best time to buy, because don't wait until it start going up and start getting the fear of missing out. You know, the FOMO and all this stuff. So this is a quick update. I know we are down, but I always said if you own good companies, it will always come back. When the market start upturn soon, we're gonna get back to where we were before. I just haven't been adding money to my portfolio for a little bit because I got some other projects going on that they need more of attention right now. But we're gonna keep continue going and monitoring the stocks and see where we're gonna get. But I hope soon all the stuff start going back up again and people won't just keep selling all the good companies they have just because it's going down. If you know what you have, you don't have to worry about what is going on, because you know eventually when it start going up, it'll be one of the quickest ones to go up. And after all, if you look, the good companies that I have here are not really down that much. If anything, I'm probably up on most of them. It's just a couple of them that's messing me up. But that's about that. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, share the videos, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.